Here's Michael's machine for dialysis that he has to hook up every day, 8.5 hours. It's a $50,000 machine for life-saving dialysis. Michael is in need of a kidney now more than ever. He really needs our help. I'll bring you to the back spare room. That is now his medical room. And this is just 3 weeks supply. So 3 weeks supply. Let me give you a better idea. All this stuff. And all this stuff. And all this stuff. 3 weeks supply. Please share Michael's story, and please, if you're interested in being a living kidney donor, please go on to the Rhode Island website and fill out the living donor form with Michael Bletcher Melanson, 7/30/2005. And then you can call Sarah Gibbs after you fill out the form at 401-444-3091. And you should get a call back within 48 hours. Thank you for sharing.